Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy here, and I am also known as ETCG1 when I post videos to this channel. And those of you that are regular viewers know that I start things off with, hey, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. Please enjoy this digital confection that I found for you. It's the last one of 2021. Speaking of, there was a milestone that happened with ETCG1 during the year 2021, and that is I crossed the 200,000 subscriber mark. And I'm sorry I haven't acknowledged that till now, but I guess it's just starting to sink in. I'm a little slow, but I wanted to thank you for that. I also wanted to thank you for your viewership over the year and over the past year and years before that. I originally started ETCG1 as, well, someplace to put videos that weren't necessarily going to fit on Eric the Car Guy, and now it's grown into what it is today, which is its own entity and its own thing, and I have you to thank for that. So as a thank you and as a way to close out 2021 and look forward to 2022, I thought I would show you a view of the shop very few people have seen up to this point, and that is this. That right there, that's a drone. Let's fly around the shop and see it in a way that you have never seen before. Well, you might never have seen before. Anyway, let's do it. Let's fly over to the Fairmont. There's the Factory 5. There's where the Fairmont lives during the winter, and a little bit of my desk. Parts car, Blackbeard. My snow tires, Dad's truck, and also a look at the upper shelves over there. Right? You rarely ever get to see that. Well, at least from this perspective. There's the GSR and the Hack Hawk. Think I can fly over the Pilot? I do. Miss the lift, yes! Well, viewers, thank you for an awesome 2021. Thank you for an awesome past 10 years. I hope you enjoyed this new perspective fly around the shop. You will be seeing more of this guy in the future. I'm kind of having a little bit of fun with it. You can always visit ericthecarguy.com if you have automotive questions. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, be safe, have fun, stay dirty, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again in 2022. Bye!